everyone, today we have Samsung A10 stuck at logo after drop in water. It's stuck at logo. Look at the back camera, there's water inside it, so let's open it. It's important to remove the SIM card slot before you're doing anything, otherwise you will make a damage. There is no heat in the screen and there is no heat in the back glass. As there is no back glass, it's from plastic. Unplug the battery. Okay. What we are going to do is to look all after the pieces to see if any pieces get in water, so we are going to clean it. The flex cable not into water, there is no water into it, so let's continue. This flex cable is fine, there is nothing in it. Continue removing. Now remove charging board to see under it if there is any leak on water. There is no leak to the charging board, it's alright. Let's continue. Now we can see some water into the board, the main board. So remove all pieces and then start cleaning. This is the first phase. We can start cleaning, then we can test. If the problem consists, we are going to put the board into machine to remove all the water get leaked into it. Clean the board and then dry it using the heat gun. Okay. You can judge the situation by looking at the board. You can see if there is too much water leaked inside or not. If you think there is too much water leaked inside, you need to put the whole board into machine to get it dry. This board wasn't looking very bad situation, so the cleaning I think will be enough for it, and then I will test it to make sure everything is good or not. Let's now test it. Power on the device and take a look. The device didn't power on, so maybe there is no battery. Let's now check the battery. Get your multimeter and check the battery voltage. There is no battery. Let's now put the charging board and charge the device, then power it on. Put the charger on. Let's wait a few seconds, then we will power it on. Power the device on and test. The device now works successfully. Now we can assemble the device. There is a tip for everyone. Anyone who dropped his phone into water, it's better to take it to the nearest maintenance shop. Otherwise, it will be difficult to be repaired. The faster is the better. Now we can let you with the video. You can just see what we tear down, and now we are going to assemble it. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please write it below and I will answer it as soon as possible. If you like my video, subscribe now. We will see you in the next video. Ciao.
You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.